We're here in the beautiful Paris at the Paris Blockchain Week Summit, and we meet interesting people. Cryptonavia, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm very good. Thank you for having me today.
Yes. So, could you explain what Cryptonavia is?
Sure. So Cryptonavia is an intelligent solution for analyzing and monitoring blockchain projects, right? So today there are more than 2,000 crypto assets, huge amount of data, and we noticed as an investors ourselves that the challenge is no longer to find information, but more so prioritize and filter out information. And our technology enables just that, to control the constant flow of information coming from the blockchain ecosystem. Yeah.
So it's a lot of chain analysis, a lot of data out of the chains you analyze.
Exactly. Actually, so we created a fully customizable dashboard that the user can build according to their own needs. So first of all, they have to pre-select the crypto assets on which we will filter out the information. And then we have a very versatile library of indicators, such as like live market data, on-chain metrics, as you said, sentiment analysis on social networks. We want to focus on every active community, so like Facebook, Reddit, Bitcoin Talk, Facebook, like YouTube, for example. So every Twitter, every active community, and also GitHub activity, right? So are the developing teams still active? Are they adding new features, new commits? So we want to have a very broad point of view on the market.
Yeah, because for instance, the CEO of Coinbase said recently that one of the problems of the space is the lack of data quality, and you are helping this.
Exactly. We have a big focus on data quality. So for example, for when we aggregate and when we collect Twitter feed, we have algorithm that can take away fake traffics and bots, for example. So this is, of course, one of our main focus: clean data in, and clean data out, as we say. So of course, data quality is a main issue of our project, a main focus.
If you look at the project, which clients are you focusing on? Is it private clients or perhaps businesses?
Actually, for now, we're focusing on B2C, so customers, and we identified an 8 million people market, right? So there are actually more and more active traders every day who are coming on exchanges, who are trying their best to identify, the golden altcoin, and we want to help them with that. We want to help them decide which crypto to invest in. So we're mainly focusing on particular right now. But as for the future, we want to target also institutionals. So for example, crypto creators who want to monitor their social impacts and also keep an eye on the competition, for example. So for example, Tezos, we just saw them and they're pretty interested in our product. So of course, institutions are going to be a focus. Yeah.
Sounds good. You're based here in Paris. You would describe yourself as a startup or a scale-up. Perhaps you can tell something about the company itself.
Yeah, actually, we are still pretty we can define as a startup, right? We are three friends from engineering school. We actually met up because we were investors in the cryptosphere first. So we are three, but we're aiming to get in more people, developers, maybe a community manager, to get more traction on the project. Yeah.
So the plan is to grow your platform, to add more features to it, to have more data. Because one of the problems in the market as well is this fake volume. For instance, you had this research from So can your solution help that to get the real volume out of the market?
That's an interesting question. It's pretty hard to detect even where you're in front of the exchange. So it's not planned yet, but it's a concern that we heard a lot for crypto traders. They want to identify fake volumes into the platform exchanges. Maybe this is something that we can do in the future, but for right now, as of right now, it's not in our plan. But I understand your question.
Okay.
Yeah.
So perhaps you can tell something about the plans for 2019.
Sure. Actually, so we have a library of indicators that we plan on growing every day. So our main objective in the future is to have 80 indicators. 80, what we call widgets, is one data source and one visualization. So we plan on having 80 widgets in the future. As of right now, we have approximately 10 widgets. And what we want to do is focusing, interviewing traders, people that wants to trade on a daily basis, and identify their needs, see what they need right now in order to, prioritize the widgets and help them in their daily trades. So that is the plan, actually.
It can also be interesting for media companies, actually. They have to process a lot of data as well. So
For?
Media companies.
Yeah, totally. Actually, we have an API where we sell our raw data for maybe media to have clean data input, and for them, to make easily articles about a specific subject. So yeah, we can totally do that. That's for sure.
And if you look at the consumer side, you have do you have a freemium model and a paid subscription, or?
Exactly. Actually, it is pretty standard. We have a free subscription with, of course, a limited amount of widgets that you can have, but you have access to every crypto project out there. So this is, the free plan is pretty huge already. Yeah. And then we have indeed the premium. And the premium is for you have every widgets, right? You have every widgets. You have access to our smart dashboard. So smart dashboard is a dashboard that is already done, and the crypto assets are dynamically changing according, for example, let's say that the top you have in the dashboard the top 3 coins that pumped in the week, and the top 3 coins, for example, with the most positive sentiment score. So it's a way for premium users to discover new projects and maybe, find this particular one, find this little golden project, this gem. So
it can also be interesting for exchanges to use because they have a lot of traders, and also traders are of course also your target group. So
of course, totally. We focus on traders. If they are like B2C, or even B2B, so you're totally correct. We focus on exchanges. Actually, we had the occasion to meet several exchanges into the event. So yeah, of course, and the people are quite enthusiastic for now. So let's hopefully it can get really big and grow as a project. We really hope so. So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So thank you, Nicolas, for your time. So people can go to cryptonavia.com.
Yes, thank you, Wessel, for having me. Yeah. They can go on cryptonavia.com. We have, you can just put your email and we'll send you a notification just when the product is live. And of course, you can follow our news on Twitter, on Facebook, LinkedIn. Add me directly if you want more information. My name is Nicolas Vaiman, Vaiman, and it will be my pleasure to give you more detailed information about us.
Cool. Thanks a lot, and all the best with your project. And it sounds really good because this industry really needs more data quality, and so people can make better decisions, better trading decisions. Institutions need more data. Research institutions need more data. So I think you're doing a really good job in putting this forward. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.